So let's get into it. You're going to hit request your free credit report. You're going to hit it again, and you're going to put in your personal information, right? This should be easy. So what's my information? I'm going to have to come off this screen for a second too. My name is Gloria. Right? You put all that stuff in. When is your birthday? Mine is July 27th, -27, -1993. All right? Don't say nothing about me getting old. You put in your social. I'm turning into a Gramps. All right. You put in your current address. I'm going to pull this screen over here for a second. Hopefully it doesn't freeze. All right. Boom. Nice. So once you finish putting in your personal information, you should see this screen. Then you got to click all three of these because you need to dispute all three of your credit reports, right? Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. Boom. We moving on. Next. A condition exists that prevents Experian from being able to accept your request at this time to obtain. Now, if y'all get a message like this, I'm glad this happened. If you get a message like this, you have to request it by mail, which I'm going to show you how to do, right? So, all right, now you hit get your next report. This does not mean that you cannot get none of your credit reports. You still got to go through and get TransUnion and Equifax, right? So check Experian. They couldn't give it to me. Boom. So now TransUnion. Now this is a MacBook. I don't know how to use MacBooks. So what am I doing right here? I don't know. Save as PDF. What you doing? Save as my TransUnion report. I'm going to put my name. Glow. All right. Save. Boom. Then when we want to get back to get our what? Our Equifax, right? So you're going to hit the back button. Don't be scared. It's okay. You're going to hit this big red button right here. Get your next report. Because now we got to get our Equifax. This is the last one. Are you sure? Yep. So boom. Now Experian is checked. TransUnion is checked. Now we got to get the Equifax. Let's go get it. All right, you put in your information, you save it. And then you print to save the exact same way.